Hi everyone, welcome to this week's Talking Points. We're together on Zoom today because I'm in rugby and Dobbo's at home.
I'm back in my house. I'm in my mum's room.
Nice,
The best
like
place.
the background. I'm in my in-laws dining room. If anyone knows what my house looked like, it doesn't look like this. For this one, we're talking a bit about what it means to know Jesus. And so we thought we'd both just have a chat and answer the questions together. And if you pause it as we answer, just to share your answers to see if they're interesting. And let us know if you think anything similar to us or you disagree with what we've said. So the first question is, what fact do you know that you think most other people don't really know?
So my fact that I know that not that many people know, and it's not one that you would kind of link with me, is about fig trees. Now, most trees, to grow, they need lots of room for their roots to spread out. But a fig tree, you have to grow in a small little box. Often you put concrete around it, stones, because the roots don't like to spread out. They need to be constricted. Otherwise, they won't grow.
And my fact, which you wouldn't link to me because it's about hair, is that every hair on a human head has like a set amount that it's going to grow. So it's different for everybody, but our hair grows an amount. And then when that hair's finished growing to that amount, it then falls out. Obviously, that's happened, the falling out bit's happened more to me than for other people. But so if you let all your hair grow, it would all be exactly the same length, apart from some hairs are older. So they will only grow to a certain short length. Yeah, I think that's pretty interesting.
What about you? What's the strangest fact that you know that nobody else knows? Question number 2 is, what is there something that surprises you about Jesus? Or what is it that surprises you about Jesus? For me, one of the things that surprised me about Jesus is the fact that he does everything so subtly, and that it's not all about him. Although it is, but it's not. Like, if I think if I was in that situation where Jesus was, I'd be wanting to shout everything that I was doing, and really show off that I am the Son of God. Yet he doesn't really do that.
And mine's similar, and it's a bit linked to fig trees. I was talking about fig trees earlier, but there's a story where Jesus does this sort of random miracle where he curses a fig tree. And what I've learned as I've got to know more about Jesus is that he's not at all predictable. So you think you can kind of pin him down and know exactly how he would behave in a situation, and you can to a certain extent, but there's just parts where you think, well, why did you do that? Like, and similar as Dobby was saying, where Jesus, people ask Jesus to perform miracles, and then they'll believe in him, or they'll kind of be challenging him about things, and he doesn't just come out and do an amazing miracle that proves who he is, or just give him a really convincing argument, or he just lets them come to their own conclusion about it, which I think is surprising, but maybe fits with Jesus's character. Cool, thank you. So if you guys have already talked about those questions. If you haven't, do it now. Let us know if you come up with anything interesting between you, especially with the facts one. Be interested to hear your facts that I don't know, every day's a school day. And we'll see you next week. Bye.
Bye bye.